There are lots and lots of recipes one can make with ripe plantain and gizzard that are so healthy and delicious. Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video what I have for you is making of Gizdodo. Let's dive right into the video so I can show you how I came up with this delicious and healthy Gizdodo you are seeing right here. This is a gizzard that I will be using. I'm just trying to open it up, and this is chicken gizzard. You can feel free to use any gizzard of your choice like turkey gizzard and all the rest of them. Once I'm done opening it, I will go ahead to double check if there are some leftover dirt. Like those leftover yellow lining that came directly from the shop, I will scrape them out myself to make sure everything is clean. As I am doing that, I will also be cutting this gizzard into bite-sized pieces. Please note that it is very important to cut the gizzard before cooking, okay? But why you choose to cook the gizzard before cutting, there is no problem about that. All cut is cut. Please, if you have not liked the video, please do so for me. It is very important. Keep watching. Thank you.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing.
Once I'm done scraping off the yellow lining, I will go ahead to give it a final wash with some lukewarm water, salt and lemon juice. And I have this lemon juice in cube, and the video of how I came up with this lemon juice cube is at the description box down below. Please do well to check it out, okay? And this is what the gizzard looks like after washing it thoroughly. The gizzard is free of any kind of smell, taste or whatsoever. Next is to season the gizzard, and I will be doing that with some nicely chopped onion, dry thyme, curry powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, some salt to taste, a little water, and then stir to combine. Once everything is nicely stirred, I will cover to boil until tender, and that will take about 35 minutes to 40 minutes. To prepare the pepper base, I'll be using my already homemade pepper mix. In here, I've got real bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and fresh tomato blended together. And I'll be adding my freshly blended onion. You know, it is not healthy to blend your onion to keep for a long time. It is better to blend and use it immediately. And I would just microwave it to dissolve. That's all. When you have everything ready like this at home, cooking is made easy. And while the pepper mix is dissolving, I will go ahead to prep some onion, red bell pepper and green bell peppers, and all this will be for garnishing.
Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away.
Once I'm done prepping the vegetables for the garnishing, I will as well go ahead to prep the ripe plantain I'll be using at once. There's no much work here, just to peel the plantain, cut in cubes for easy bite, and then go ahead to add some salt to taste. This is a gizzard we've been boiling. It is very tender. I will remove it from the heat and set aside. Next, I will preheat a little vegetable oil just to fry the gizzard. And I will fry the gizzard until golden brown. You can as well use your air fryer or oven grill the gizzard for a healthy option. There is no problem about that. Once I'm done frying the gizzard, I will as well fry the ripe plantain till golden brown, okay? And I'll be frying in batches. Please, have you liked this video? If no, do hit the like button and keep watching. Yes, we are done frying the gizzard and the plantain, and next is to combine everything together, and I'll be using the same oil used to fry the plantain and the gizzard to prepare the stew base, but I'll be reducing the oil because it is too much for the stew base. After reducing the oil, I've added some minced garlic and some sliced onion, and I will fry until the onion is translucent. I have a video of how to make your minced garlic at home in my description box. Please do feel free to check it out, okay?
The other 11 is something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 is something from nothing. Life lessons.
Next is to add the pepper mix we microwaved earlier and season with some curry powder, dry thyme. You can use fresh thyme, there is no problem about that. Chicken seasoning, shrimp seasoning, and a little salt to taste, and stir everything to combine. I will check and balance the taste and everything is okay. I will then go ahead to cover to cook a little for 5 minutes. Okay, remember that we have microwaved the pepper mix already. For that reason, we don't have to allow it cook much here. Once it is 5 minutes, I will add the fried gizzard and plantain, followed by the combination of red and green bell peppers. You can choose to use any color you have at home, but this is the one so color I have at this moment. Stir everything together, and here the tasty and delicious Gizdodo is ready. But we will just cover it for everything to cook together for 2 minutes. You can have this Gizdodo the way it is or with some white or jollof rice, alright? But for us here today, we are having it with some turmeric rice. Try this method of Gizdodo and tag me on all social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or even on YouTube here. Please like this video, share, drop your comment, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload beautiful videos like this. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will sure see you in our next video. Bye bye.
One in a dozen. The other 11 is something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door.